say, easy, dazzy, day. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I've a lot of work to do. I'm packing saucepans.
Joe.
Ah, hello, Aisling.
I can see you've been busy packing.
Yes.
That's great, but I have some deliveries for you.
I love deliveries. I'm a really good delivery man.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a key, trousers and a mandolin to the concert hall.
Amazing!
The band need your help to put on a special concert for the children. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. Hi, Grace.
Grace and her dad, Carl, will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go.
Where is the concert hall?
Joe!
Ah, hello, Grace.
Hello, Joe.
Wait.
Michael!
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hi, I'm Carl. This is Grace.
Hello, Grace.
Hi, Joe.
Will you help me with my deliveries?
Great, let's go.
Lock.
Oh, look at his throat. What's it doing? Really? With a little key.
Can't open the door.
Let's love sign. Open. Open. You sign. Open. Good. Open.
The door won't open.
Yeah.
We need a...
Key.
Hey! Oh, I remember. Wait here.
That's funny. Take on a key.
Joe, this is the band.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Are we nearly ready?
Yes! Oh, I can't wait to hear you sing.
Let's love sign. Sing. Sing. You sign. Sing. Good. Sing.
Let's go.
Ooh, I look so good.
I have a great voice.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the Hudson, feeling like a someone.
Do you like the outfit, lads? What about the trousers?
Oh, trousers? Wait here.
Let's love sign. Trousers. Trousers. You sign. Trousers. Good. Trousers.
Oh, Grace, I'm so tired. I've been working really hard.
Joe, we've one more delivery. Where's the mandolin?
Oh, wait here. Mandolin,
That's not a mandolin. It's a trumpet. Where's the mandolin?
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Say dizzy, dazzy, day.
Boys and girls, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's Grace and her band.
Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a summer.
Oh no.
Thank you, Grace. I've had a great day, but now I have to go. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, Joe.
You see, I've traveled around. I've been all over the world. And boys, I've never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Hello, hello, here comes Joe. We have parcels now, let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too.
Hey, Ozzy. He's playing our song. La da 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 da.
Hello, Ozzy too. Deliveries to you.
Let's make a sign to say, dizzy, dazzy, Hands up! Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up! Let's make a sign
You sign.
to say, dizzy, dazzy, dazzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello,
Where?
Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Let's make a sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country. We're making friends with every delivery. I'm making my breakfast. I'm so tired.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Come on, Joe. It's time for delivery.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering basketball shoes and a ball to the basketball arena.
Wow! basketball! Yes!
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. I am Elliot.
Elliot and his coach Ed are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Oh. Oh. Ah.
Joe, you're so silly.
I'll see you later, Ozzy.
Hands up. Hands up.
Hello, I'm Joe.
I am Elliot. This is my coach, Ed. My coach is silly. I love sports.
Good, because I'm an athlete.
Good. I'm playing basketball.
Let's love sign. Play. Play. You sign. Play. Good. Play.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah, so this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes.
And let's go.
Wait! Your shoes!
Where is my basketball suit?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery. Wait here. Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dazzy.
is my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. You sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow. Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Close. Close. You sign. Close. Good. Close.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today. Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. Now, it's time to go. Bye.
Thanks, Joe.
Bye-bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.